Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX 2-seater LE. We've just installed a ton of fun stuff on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. To start right off, we're gonna start on those 32-inch Tusk Terabytes. We do a lot of this tire. They wear really good going down the roadway. They look super good. Great for that street legal option. You also have that front upper brush guard on there, center skid plate protection, A-arm guards. You've got that awesome Warren winch on there. We did upgrade and put the synthetic rope on, the new Warren bump stop, as well as the new hook. We've got the RYCO street legal kit on it, full glass windshield from USA, Tusk light bar, UTV Tech side mirrors, the Yamaha rock sliders, R1 whips, mounted on the machine with some Tusk clamps. Of course, you've got that Yamaha center mirror, fire extinguisher kit from Axia Alloys, there's the turn signal stock for the street legal kit. On the inside, we've got the heated seats, high, off, and low. Of course, on the LE, you've got your shock adjustment, your bright LED light bar, heater kit, and passenger heated seat. There's your winch control in and out, and the backup switch for the backup lights. Take a look at that light bar. Very nice and bright. Did I mention the Super ATV back window? Rear bumper from Yamaha, as well as the backup lights from Yamaha, and those awesome aluminum A-arm guards on the rear. This baby is loaded up, ready for adventure. Some highlights of the RMAX: 10-year belt warranty. If you choose to participate in the Yamalube Advantage warranty, 20-year, 5,000 hour, 100,000 mile warranty on the motor. And if you'd like to extend out your warranty up to 4 additional years, of course, you guys know we've got the hookup at Big Pine. We're selling more extended warranties than any dealer in the nation. Give us a call to find out why. This one's on its way, staying here in Utah. Kevin, you're gonna love your new machine. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you've got any questions about the accessories, give us a holler. We'll also post up in the description a list to all of the accessories installed on this machine. You can go online and place an order from our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, to get any of this stuff headed your way. Have a great day, everybody.